In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts to HubSpot CRM in 2024. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, making sure you can add contacts efficiently and accurately. Let's get started. First, you want to navigate to the HubSpot homepage. If you're not familiar, HubSpot is an integrated software platform that covers marketing, sales, and customer service needs. Once you're on the homepage, look to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see the login button. Go ahead and click on that. After you've clicked on login, you'll need to enter your credentials, basically your username and password, and then hit the login button again. If you don't have a HubSpot account yet, you'll need to create one before going further. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be directed to what is known as the HubSpot home. This is where all the action starts for any tasks you want to undertake within HubSpot. From the HubSpot homepage, your next step is to locate and select CRM from the menu. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management, and it's essentially a platform that helps manage all your company's relationships and interactions with potential and existing customers. It's a very handy tool for maintaining a clear and organized system. Next, once you're in the CRM section, look for the tab that says Contacts. Click on this to enter the contacts area. This is where all your existing contacts are stored and where you can manage them, edit details, or, as we're doing today, add new contacts. Now that you're in the contacts section, you'll find a button labeled Create Contact. By clicking this, you'll initiate the process of adding a new contact to your CRM. This is an essential part of the CRM experience, allowing you to systematically build and maintain customer relationships. When you click on Create Contact, a form will appear prompting you to enter information about the new contact you wish to add. Be sure to fill out these details accurately. Typically, the form will ask for the contact's first name, last name, email address, and potentially more depending on your specific requirements or preferences. Take your time here, as the information you enter will form the basis of your relationship management strategy. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, you'll see a button at the bottom of the form labeled Create. Click this button to finalize the addition of this new contact. And there you have it. You've successfully added a contact to your HubSpot CRM. Remember, maintaining a robust and up-to-date list of contacts is crucial for staying organized and ensuring effective communication with your customers. By following these simple steps, you can continue to build a comprehensive, accessible database that serves your business needs efficiently. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.